We want Azadi from Pakistan. That is what residents of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir are saying. Azadi from Pakistan. That is what people of Azad Kashmir, so-called Azad Kashmir, want. Joining me on the broadcast is Hashim Qureshi. Hashim Qureshi is a senior separatist leader from Jammu and Kashmir. Also joining me on the broadcast is Lieutenant Colonel Shafqat Saeed, a student of peace between India and Pakistan, and Lieutenant General Raj Qadian. General Raj Qadian is a former top commander of the Indian Army in Jammu and Kashmir. Hashim Qureshi, I want to come to you first, sir. People in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir want to be a part of India. Separatists want to be a part of Pakistan. Today, where will you run? Where will you hide?
First of all, I want to speak in Urdu, but let us understand what is a POK. It is not a Azad Kashmir. And we don't want to become a part of Pakistan, and neither we don't want a part of India. We want a united Jammu and Kashmir. Secular Jammu and Kashmir was existing in Maharaja time in 1947. Here I want to first tell you that what is Azad Kashmir. It is some regulations about Pakistani Azad Kashmir, Aburi.
No, Shafqat, no, listen, Mr. Hashim Qureshi, do not read books to me today. Talk straight from your heart.
No, I am
the
not
way
reading.
Pakistan Army is brutally beating people. Beating people.
Yes,
when have you spoken against the Pakistan Army? Why does your heart not bleed? Why does your heart not bleed for the people of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir? They are your Kashmiri brothers.
No, this is not a new for me. I was also brutal, tortured by Pakistanis. I was 9 years in prison. I was in Shahi Killa.
So what will you take? What will you say to people like Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani tonight?
This is shocking news for you, but not for me.
What will you say to Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani tonight?
Yes.
What will you say to Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani tonight?
I am telling not Sayyid Ali Gilani only, everybody who wants to accession to Pakistan, that Pakistan is not our friend. He is occupier, like India is occupier.
India is not an occupier. India is not an occupier. That is where you separatists go so drastically wrong.
Conception.
You are so drastically wrong, sir.
No, we want, this is all J&Ks occupied by India, China and Pakistan. We want
Jammu
our
and
land
Kashmir,
back.
you have spent time in a Pakistani prison, and yet you try to equate. How can you equate what is happening in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir?
I am not educating Pakistan. I am educating Jammu and Kashmir people.
No, what you really need to do, why is it?
You promised, India promised with us.
Hashim Qureshi, why is it today when you see your brothers and our brothers in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir being beaten up? You know the salaries that they get. The salaries that they get are 25% less than what people get in mainland Pakistan.
I am only separatist this side. I am only separatist this side that I condemn it in press releases, in newspapers. But we are brutally treated in Indian-held Kashmir also.
Kashmir is an integral part of India. General Raj Qadian, the problem with separatists is either they suck up to Pakistan, or either they are on Pakistan's payrolls, or they desperately try to equate between India and Pakistan, General Qadian. And there is no way India and Pakistan can be equated when it comes to Jammu and Kashmir, General Qadian.
Gaurav, these videos that have come out lay bare and totally expose Pakistan's stark duplicity in what they preach and what they practice. They have no moral right anymore after these videos are seen by the world to talk to India about the human rights violations in the valley on our side of the LOC, or of the right to self-determination. These are the same rights that they are curbing by brutal force in the POK. they have been following a game of duplicity. We always suspected it, but the world which did not know will know it today.
And
there
Hashim
are
Qureshi,
no human rights allowed
yes,
in POK. People are being forced.
Absolutely.
People are being forced to become jihadists.
You're spot on
The
there. And
press
Hashim
is being
Qureshi,
cuffed.
respond to this.
Qureshi
No, sir.
himself
I
admits.
want Hashim Qureshi to respond to this. Look at what happened in Jammu and Kashmir in 2005. There was an earthquake. Look at how Indian Army and the Indian Air Force and the Indian people came in and helped people. See what happened in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. There is pain, there is anguish since 2005. There has been no relief, no rehabilitation in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Do you know that or do you not know that, Mr. Qureshi?
Yes, I know. And because this is your duty, we are still, you consider us Indian. We are still under the living constitution of India.
Oh, absolutely.
This is your duty. This is your job.
And look how graceless people
This
like
is
you
your
are,
job,
sir.
and-
Look how graceless you are. Look how graceless you are, sir. Look what's happening to your brothers in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir.
Why?
2005, they are still looking
Well,
for
we are
rehabilitation.
condemned.
No
I am
rehabilitation has come to them. Look at last year's floods.
I am alone that I condemn it. And this is not a first time. You are looking this first time.
No, I'm not looking at this for the first time. I've been seeing this for the past 2 decades. I've been looking at this for the past 2 decades plus, sir.
They put me in prison and 9 years, and then Supreme Court acquitted me, Pakistani Supreme Court. This has happened every time. And when I was the chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front from 82 to 86, I was also always, they tortured me always. 13 times they put me in the prison because of independent Kashmir.
And did any of this happen to you in India?
Kashmir,
Did any of this happen to you in India? Were you tortured in India?
Yes, I was here 1 year.
Were you tortured the way you were tortured in Pakistan? But I'm not specifically talking about you. Hashim Qureshi, I'm not specifically talking about you.
Yes.
I am talking about a situation where there were floods in Jammu and Kashmir. Look at the relief material that was provided all across Jammu and Kashmir in India, and look at the lack of it in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. People in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir see it. That is why today they are on the streets. They are on the streets of Muzaffarabad. They are on the streets of Kotli. They are on the streets in Gilgit and Baltistan in northern areas, where they are seeing how they are being raped, tortured, had by Pakistan Army and security forces. And look at the love and respect you get in India.
मैं जो है ना आपसे एक बात कहना चाहता हूं।
अर्ज करें जनाब।
तो आप लोग क्यों अपने आप को क्यों उन ब्रूटल, जिनको आप ब्रूटल कहते हैं, उनके साथ अपने मुकाबला आप क्यों कर रहे हैं? दिस इज अ लैंड ऑफ 5 years old, 5000 years old। आपकी एक कहानी है, आपकी एक हिस्ट्री है हिंदुस्तान की। यहां अशोका रहते थे, यहां गांधी पैदा हुआ है। क्या गांधी के मुल्क में आप वही कुछ करना चाहते हैं जो पाकिस्तान करेगा? नो।
चलिए, आपको ये तो पता चला, और ये आपका और हमारा, हम दोनों का यही इतिहास है, और ये आपके लिए जानना बहुत जरूरी है। ये इतिहास आपका और हमारा, हम सबका है।
इतिहास का तालिबे इल्म हूं, मैं इतिहास का तालिबे इल्म हूं जनाब, तालिबे इल्म।
I want General Qadian to respond to this. General Qadian, today separatists like Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani have no feet to stand on when we see the brutality in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, and thousands in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir saying they want to be a part of India, sir.
Absolutely. Gaurav, I again say that this exposes Pakistan's lack of moral standing in giving any lecture to India on how we should treat the Kashmiris. We have separatist leaders who openly preach separatism. Despite that, we give them a visa, they go to Pakistan, they meet people like Hafiz Saeed, who is an international terrorist, who has a 10 million award on his head to be captured, who masterminded Bombay. Still we do not curb their freedom, their right to go across and meet anybody they want.
Yes.
They are, even now, they preach freely. We don't torture them like the Pakistani forces are doing.
Yes.
All they have done is exploit their resources of the POK, and what is not coming out, they have massive colonization of POK by people from the plains.
Yes.
We don't permit a single plain people to go and settle in the valley.
इसका जवाब दीजिए हाशिम कुरैशी साहब। जनरल साहब बहुत सही फरमा रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान अधिकृत कश्मीर में, in Pakistan occupied Kashmir, people from mainland Punjab, Pakistan have taken so much property. They have changed the demographic profile of Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and look how the demographic profile of Kashmir in India is so well preserved, so well respected, sir. हाशिम कुरैशी साहब,
देखिए मैं फिर वही कह रहा हूं, ये गौतम बुद्ध का मुल्क है, गांधी जी का मुल्क है। आप जो है ना, क्या जिस आर्मी ने पाकिस्तान में अपने अवाम को सालों तक 35 साल तक गुलाम बनाया, मार्शल के तहत रखा, जहां इंस्टीट्यूशंस नहीं बनने दिए गए, उस आर्मी ने जहां जुल्म अपने अवाम पे किया है, उस आर्मी के मुकाबले में आप गांधी जी को देश को मिला रहे हैं। आप कैसे करेंगे वो जो उन्होंने किया? आप कैसे कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ वो जो उन्होंने किया? आपके साथ
सर, हम तो आपके साथ दिल से जुड़े हैं, हम तो आपके साथ दिल से जुड़े हैं। आप ही पाकिस्तान के पैसे पर ऐसे फिदा है कि आपको इस देश से जो प्यार मिलता है वो आप समझ नहीं पाते हैं।
डोंट टेल मी दिस। आप
ये दिल का रिश्ता है, रक्त बहाया है भारतवासियों ने जम्मू और कश्मीर में, और अभी से नहीं 1947 से लगातार खून बहाया है उस नियंत्रण रेखा पर। पाकिस्तान 1947 से आप लोगों को मार रहा है वहां पर, चाहे वो बारामूला की बात हो, चाहे वो श्रीनगर पर पहुंचने की बात हो। You are well aware of what happened in Jammu and Kashmir. You are well aware of what happened in 1947, in 1965. Hashim Qureshi Saab, are you aware? Are you aware how Pakistan is exploiting the northern areas in Gilgit, in Baltistan? How Shias are being massacred there?
देखिए आपने,
are you aware of that, sir?
प्लीज देखिए आपको, यस, उन्होंने गिलगित बल्तिस्तान में शिया सुन्नी फसाद फैलाया हुआ है, उसके तहत वहां जुड़े हुए हैं। आपको बता दूं, मैं तालिब इल्म ही नहीं हूं, मैंने 6 किताबें लिखी है। जम्मू और कश्मीर की हर सांस, जम्मू और कश्मीर का हर मसला, मैं ये मानता हूं कि महाराजा ने पाकिस्तान के साथ सिटिल एंड स्टैंड मुआहिदा करने के बावजूद पाकिस्तान में ये किताबें निकली है, जनरल अकबर रंगरूट की और दौलताना ने किताबें लिखी है कि किस तरह 22 अक्टूबर को कबायलियों से हमने हमला करवाया, जिसमें रेगुलर पाकिस्तानी थे। मुआहिदा करने के बावजूद जो कबायलियों ने, जिन्होंने लूटमार की, जिन्होंने औरतों को रेप किया, यस आई नो द हिस्ट्री, और जिसकी वजह से महाराजा ने 26 अक्टूबर को फिर इंडिया के साथ आरजी इलाहाक, 3 चीजों पे इलाहाक किया।
And yet, there are those people who say, हम क्या चाहे पाकिस्तान? Look at the way Muhajirs are being treated even today. Since 1947, those who went to Pakistan, they are treated as second-rate citizens even today in Pakistan. लेकिन चलिए हम आपको, नहीं, कुरैशी साहब जुड़े रहिए आप हमारे साथ. Let me quickly bring in on the broadcast Lieutenant Colonel Shafqat Saeed, who joins us from Pakistan. Colonel Saeed, Nawaz Sharif goes to the United Nations and raises the voice of Kashmir, talks about plebiscite. If there is plebiscite that is held in Pakistan occupied Kashmir, they want to be a part of India, sir. The videos are now all there for the world to see, Colonel Saeed.
What is your question? You just made a statement. I reject this statement. What is your question in the statement?
Explain Pakistan Army's brutality in Jammu and in Pakistan occupied Kashmir, Colonel Saeed. You claim to be a student of peace, sir.
Yes, I am a student of peace, and I think...
We are looking at those pictures of peace on our television screens, the brutality of Pakistan Army on people of Pakistan occupied Kashmir in Muzaffarabad and in Kotli.
You are such an enemy of Pakistan that you look at everything from your peculiar Indianized typical thinking. Now Pakistan Army is fighting terrorism and they are chasing terrorists everywhere in Pakistan. And once they go and they chase those extremists in Azad Kashmir, you go on to make it a story and you start shouting and crying and you give it a color of brutality. It is very shameful and unbecoming.
Colonel Saab, not 1 or 2 people. There are thousands of people on the streets who say they want Azadi from Pakistan. Azad Kashmir is Azad only in name. the worst form of police brutality. We have people on camera who are saying how they are being tortured and ill-treated. They don't have democratic rights. They don't have schools. They don't have colleges. They don't have job opportunities. They get less salaries. You have changed the demographic profile of so-called Azad Kashmir. Aren't you ashamed of yourself, sir?
I pity your knowledge on all these things because you are so absolutely wrong. Kashmir has the best literacy rate in whole Pakistan, and once it comes to the buying of property, nobody then Kashmiri is allowed to buy or sell property in Azad Kashmir and in northern area. This is all absolutely white lie that you are making on this television, saying that the demography of
Hashim Qureshi is a Kashmiri separatist leader. He's with me on the broadcast. Mr. Qureshi, what is the truth of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir? Are Punjabis from mainland Pakistan, Punjab settling in so-called Azad Kashmir or not, sir? Mr. Qureshi?
No, they can't.
Mr. Qureshi?
I have not that information. But without state subject, that nobody can buy a land in Azad Kashmir, so-called Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan, because this is both sides here.
Is there a Shia-Sunni problem? Mr. Qureshi, you wanted to come in?
Yes,
Hashim Qureshi is a Kashmiri leader. He is going to expose you. Mr. Qureshi, go on, sir.
जी, जो शिया सुन्नी फसाद तो पूरे पाकिस्तान में है, वो गिलगित बल्तिस्तान में भी है, लेकिन आजाद कश्मीर में पीओके में ये नहीं होता। वहाँ इकट्ठे लोग होते हैं, इकट्ठे उठते हैं।
कोई नहीं है।
क्या गिलगित बाल्टिस्तान में शिया सुन्नी फसाद पाकिस्तान की सेना ने खड़ा किया है कि नहीं किया है? वहां बाहर से सुन्नियों को लाकर बसाया है कि नहीं बसाया है?
फसाद जी फसाद तो वहां होते हैं, लेकिन सुन्नी वहां पहले भी रहते थे और चित्राल वगैरह से लोग आते हैं, लेकिन ये कहना कि वो फैलाते हैं, और जाहिर है जब उनके डिफरेंसेस हो जाते हैं वहां पे इंतजामिया भी उन फसादात में शरीक होती है।
General Qadian, closing comments to you, sir. Does this video, what should India do with this video? Because we, according to our parliament resolution, even Pakistan-occupied Kashmir is an integral part of India. What should India do? Manish Tiwari of the Congress party says we should raise this at the UN, but Kashmir is a bilateral issue. How should India move forward on this, sir?
No, I think we should discuss the issue again in Parliament and reassert our right to take POK from Pakistan. United Nations, Pakistan is already isolated, they're already exposed. The whole world today knows, except that Pakistan is not being described as a terrorist state. Everybody knows that they have been using terror as a state policy, as an instrument of state policy to further their national aims.
Yes.
They have a so-called democratically elected government, but I don't think the Prime Minister there is prime in any way.
No.
He is just a figurehead. The entire show is run by the Pakistani army. They have no right anymore even to go and talk in the UN about any human rights violation in the valley.
Absolutely, and it is time that our politicians, our diplomats and our government raises this issue. For the moment, Colonel Shafqat Saeed, General Raj Qadian and Hashim Qureshi, I would like to thank all of you for being a part of this show, and we will continue to debate this issue, atrocities of the Pakistan army and the Pakistan government on the people of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir.